Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Pure Desi Nuskha. Friends, today I will be share with you a most useful and 100% effective home remedy for facial hair. You can remove your facial hair from face easily at home. So friends, how can you remove your facial and unwanted hair from face? Watch my videos until end. So before telling these ingredients of this most effective home remedies, subscribe my channel, click on this videos under red button of subscribe, and don't forget to press bell icon also. So friends, note ingredients of this remedy. After using this remedy on face, your facial hair will be removed. Along with this, your face skin will be brighten, lighten and clear instantly. So friends, share my videos with your friends and watch until. So friends, note these remedies ingredients. First ingredients is that lemon. You should take lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Also take milk 2 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and also salt 1 tablespoon. To prepare a paste of these above ingredients and apply on your face, massage for 5 minutes on your face with this paste on your face, and after that wash with cold water. If you want to better results of this remedy, so you can repeat this remedies for best results twice times a week. Salt will be exfoliated your face and unwanted hair will be removal. So friends, maybe you will be like my this remedy, and also I will be meet with you in next video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends. Take care. Bye bye.